Atongoria kĩama kĩa UDA kuma kaunti ya Homa Bay nĩ morĩtie ũnyitanĩri wa atongoria kuma mĩahũ ĩtiganĩte makĩria rĩrĩ ũteti ũronekana ta wambĩrĩirie kũhiũhia ciande. Makĩaria nĩ maugĩte atĩ nĩ ũndũ wa bata President William Ruto na mũtongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga kũrutithania wĩra wa hamwe kuona nĩ gũgũkorwo na ũrũmwe wa bũrũri.
We have region and to reach out because we are a democracy, but it must be laced with the message of unity and not division. We do not want a divided nation. And if you come to a region, preach, speak to people, but advance nationalistic agenda.
Atongoria ningĩ nĩ marutĩte mahĩtia ũrĩa warĩ mũnini wa President Rigathi wa Gachagua makiuga atĩ arahunjia ũteti wa kũgayũkania mũingĩ.
In the beginning, the Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua did not want us near government. And this is what I got to say about him. He's simply a jealous man that is even jealous that President William Ruto know more roads in his backyard than he does. He was jealous that the Luos were getting into a government they did not vote for. So this is a man suffering from acute narcissistic personality disorder in the name of jealousy.
Maugĩte kũngĩkorwo na ũrugarĩ wa kĩũteti mũingĩ nĩguo ũkwaga kwamũkĩra tabarĩra cia bata cia ũthii wa na mbere kuma kũrĩ thirikari.
I'm also urging the party officials from the county level to the grassroots that we must also bring the ODM members and other party members together, we work together as Kenyans and make peace, and we bring everybody to the board to make the government of William Ruto succeed because we are one Kenya and we are also one nation.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Gĩcimo Joseph.